Visit TrueNatureCenter.com and begin your journey to spiritual independence today.
Peace be with you all. Everything about your freedom revolves around one singular factor, and that factor is the very core of who and what you are. It is the very nature of your being. What you truly are is always with you. It is always right here and right now. And the second part of this equation, which is truly illusory, is that your mind will not bring you to this place, and it cannot bring you to you. So despite all of what goes on, despite the amount of times you may forget, get waylaid, distracted, simply forgotten that you are not the limited time and space that it appears to you that you are, you can shake yourself and bring yourself back with your full attention. You can awaken once again to the perfection, the infinite perfection of this moment and of what is going on right now. Now you do not have to live as the one that you are. There is nothing about existence that forces you to be the clarity of your heart. The greatness of you is so vast that it's okay for you to keep believing that you are less than what is already here. It's okay. It's all right to continue as you always have done up to this point. And that's basically believing yourself to be a mind informed or controlled limitation with all of its quirks as it currently is. And it's quite okay. The reason that it's okay is because it's not you. What we are is an evolving movement of life or energy incarnating itself more fully with greater awareness of itself. And this has been going on for billions of years. It doesn't have much to do with individuals, even though it appears to be that way. Humanity is a single unit, no less single than any other form of life. But its evolution is something that just continues to flower, to open up, and the current status of humanity in general is still bound within the outer edges of superstition and belief. This, of course, is a major limitation to being what is already true of us, but that doesn't matter. That's just the way it is and where it is. The individuals that come and go, that broaden or open up a bit more depth to the consciousness of humanity, are simply players in the game of life, performing or fulfilling their function, and they are very much required. And Einstein comes along, or any of our other geniuses in the past bring forward ideas. They incarnate new ideas that then spread through to humanity as a whole. And slowly, slowly, the race evolves, generally becoming more loving, more open, more giving. There is no difference from one person to another, simply because there is only what we already are. And as individuals, we have the capacity to find this clarity singularly and automatically. In some sense, this leaks out, spreads out to the rest of existence. We have a great capacity for being love, but not in any sense of what we may think, not through ideas of the mind, and not through the attemptings of the mind. This loving is a natural event of anyone who becomes present, who consciously focuses beyond all the paraphernalia, beyond all the daily mechanics of conditioning, of being triggered by this person or that event.
Thank you for watching this video. Search for True Nature Center on our social media network.